Ever wondered what makes a website good or bad? Stick around, we're about to uncover the top 10 attributes of a well-designed website. In this digital age, a beautifully designed and functional website isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the difference between a visitor sticking around or clicking away. It's the difference between an engaging user experience or a frustrating one. It's the difference between a successful business or a struggling one. So buckle up as we dive into the realm of web design. We'll start with the first 5 attributes that can make or break a website. First, let's talk about user-friendly navigation. Imagine walking into a department store only to find that all the signs are written in an alien language. Frustrating, right? That's how a website feels when its navigation isn't user-friendly. A well-designed site should have clear, easy-to-understand navigation that guides users to where they want to go, just like a friendly store assistant. Next up is responsive design. In today's world, people browse the internet on all sorts of devices, from huge desktop monitors to tiny smartwatches. A good web design should adapt to any screen size, ensuring that your site looks great and functions well, whether it's viewed on a 4K TV or a smartphone screen. The third attribute is clear and concise content. We've all visited websites where it's like trying to read a novel just to find out what the company does. Good web content should be like your favorite pop song, catchy, easy to remember, and straight to the point. It should quickly tell users what your site is about and why they should care. Consistent branding is our fourth attribute. Your website is like your online business card. It should reflect your brand's personality and values. That means consistent colors, fonts, and messaging throughout. It's like dressing for success. When your site looks cohesive and professional, it makes a great impression. Lastly, we have fast loading times. In the digital age, patience is a virtue not many possess. If your website takes longer than a few seconds to load, users may just give up and go elsewhere. A well-optimized site will load quickly, keeping users engaged and on your site. And that's just the half of it. Let's move on to the next 5. Ready for more? Here are the next 5 attributes that every good website must have. Let's dive into the colorful world of effective color schemes. It's not just about picking your favorite hues, it's about creating a visually cohesive and appealing design. Think of your website as a painting. You wouldn't slap random colors on the canvas, would you? No, you'd carefully select each shade to create a harmonious blend. That's what an effective color scheme does. It sets the mood, highlights important elements, and guides the viewer's eye through the page. Next, let's talk about high-quality images. You've heard the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, on a website, it's worth even more. High-quality images not only enhance aesthetics but also convey professionalism. Remember, pixelated images are like blurry vision. They just make everything look confusing and unappealing. Moving on to typography. If images are the heart of a website, typography is the soul. It's not just about choosing a pretty font. Easy-to-read typography ensures your content is accessible and digestible. It's like the difference between reading a handwritten letter and trying to decipher hieroglyphics. One is a pleasure, the other a headache. Now on to clear calls to action, or as I like to call them, the Buy Now buttons of the web world. These are crucial for guiding users towards the desired action, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or downloading a PDF. It's like a friendly nudge saying, hey, this way to awesomeness. Last but not least, secure and privacy-friendly design. In a world where data breaches are as common as cat videos on the internet, security is paramount. A secure website not only protects users' information but also builds trust. It's like having a reliable bodyguard who also respects your personal space. And there you have it, 10 attributes that can transform any website from drab to fab. So, to wrap up this whirlwind tour of web design, we've explored the 10 essential attributes that make a website not just visually appealing, but effective and user-friendly too. From purposeful visuals and intuitive navigation to mobile compatibility and fast load times, each element plays a crucial role in the overall user experience. And let's not forget about accessibility, content quality, and SEO optimization. Remember, a well-designed website isn't just about looking good, it's about providing a fantastic user experience too. So, next time you're browsing the web, keep these 10 attributes in mind.